First of all, is it necessary to inoculate children younger than 5?
Well, as we've said from the beginning, things change as time goes on. And currently, we have to look at what's going on real time. Now, the Omicron surge is getting a lot better in the United States of America, but in China, it seems that they're having the really rough time right now. And then you have to think about China and the city of Hong Kong. 7.5 million people. I mean, how much social distancing can you do in such a densely populated city? So this increases the risk, and you have to do more preventative precautionary measures such as vaccinating individuals to include children at a younger age for that specific scenario. But as I said, it depends on the situation, and their situation has been determined that it's better to vaccinate children as young as 3 years of age.
Do you think that the young can withstand the potential side effects of the vaccine? Are we seeing that in China yet, that they are making it through okay?
Well, we're doing the research right here in the United States. I mean, the FDA is working with a lot of pharmaceutical companies, and I'm very proud to announce that we just got a contract with Pfizer where we will be vaccinating children right here in the Jackson regional area at Quinn Healthcare. We've been doing clinical trials from the beginning where we did the monoclonal antibody treatments for Eli Lilly. So research is very safe if it's done correctly. And that's basically what's going on. As far as, is it safe for children to be vaccinated at such a young age? So far, it's looking that way because the research has been going on for quite a while for children all the way down to 6 months of age. And so far, the data is overwhelmingly showing that it's safe and it's very effective.
All right. How common is it for kids under 5 to get COVID?
It's common, but it's less likely that they'll have a severe course of disease, meaning that children overwhelmingly, when they contract COVID, they tend to fare better. They have less of a chance of going to the hospital and or losing their life. But we have to remember, they can serve as carriers. And if a child contracts COVID and he goes to visit his grandmother, I love you, grandma, he gives her a hug, he can contract it to her and she could lose her life. But also note this, I'm reading a report right now from the Associated Press, and last week, a 4-year-old died in Hong Kong. And this is one child, but to that family in Hong Kong, to that community, that was everything to them. And we have to really, really consider that in the scientific community, one is too many. So let's just be patient and understand that vaccinating children is something that's most likely going to become a norm, but be very confident that the FDA and all the other governing scientific sources are making sure that safety is the #1 priority.
So you are saying then you do believe that they already get a number of vaccines anyway for all these diseases, measles, mumps, polio. Mm-hmm. You see this happening for a COVID vaccine then too, huh?
Most definitely. As a matter of fact, we're doing another study with Merck Pharmaceuticals where we'll be doing the coronavirus vaccine to children 9 to 11, and we'll be doing the HPV, which is human papillomavirus vaccine at the same time. And what they're trying to do is make sure that it's safe to receive both of these vaccines at the same time so that they can market them together and get the FDA approval. But do understand that any type of FDA approval goes through a very strict protocol. I mean, we at Quinn Healthcare, we get beat up all the time if we don't follow everything, just cross every T and dot every I, because remember, safety is the #1 priority. And as a physician, as healthcare community, our #1 objective is to first do no harm.
Right. All right. Dr. Quinn, as always, thank you. Some very good information there. And it's just wonderful that you are so involved in the, in the testing of this, doing these early protocols. Thank you so much.
Hey, thank you, and happy Valentine's Day.
Thank you. Same to you.